Manually uploading and managing YouTube content is a hassle. Today, I will show you how to connect YouTube to Make.com by setting up projects and what credentials in Google Cloud, unlocking powerful automation in just a few steps. First, head to console.cloud.google.com and create a project. Create a project, give it a name, and hit create. After that, hit enable APIs and services. After that, search for YouTube. Select the first one, enable it, and after that, create credential. Select the API. After that, select user data. Next, give it a name. Select user support email. Add the developer contact information. I'm gonna enter my email address and hit save and continue. And after that, add or remove the scopes. Here we're gonna search for the scopes that are needed to connect YouTube to Make.com. We can find the scopes in Make.com documentation, and here they are. The first one is this one. Here we're gonna search YouTube. First one is this one, and the second one is this one. Hit update, and after that, hit save and continue. Select application type, web application, give it a name, and after that, add tries direct URLs. We can find it in Make.com documentation. Here it is. Copy it and then paste it here. Hit create. It's been created. Copy it and hit done. Now hit to credential. Here is the credential that we created, and hit edit client. We're gonna copy the client secret from here and hit save here, and we are done. And after that, hit to auth consent screen, hit publish app, and after that, hit confirm. And here it needs verification. Prepare for verification. And here we need these links. How to get them? To get these links, I got help from the ChatGPT. Here are the links. I'm gonna copy and paste them. Here they are. And after that, hit save and continue. And after that, here it needs a link to a demo video that shows how the scope will be used. And here we can copy and paste any kind of link that we want. And for this, I'm gonna copy and paste a random link. Here it is. Hit save and continue. And also here, I forgot this, and here we're gonna explain to that how the scopes are gonna be used. Here I'm gonna type for connecting YouTube to Make.com and hit save and continue. Hit save and continue again. And here it is. Here, submit for verification. Take this one, and after that, hit submit for verification, and it's done. After that, hit to Make.com, add a YouTube module, and after that, add your connection. Here, select yes and sign in with Google. After that, select your Google account, and it's gonna be connected. And it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna work. And that's it. You're now connected and ready to automate YouTube tasks effortlessly. No more manual work, just smooth, efficient workflows. Subscribe for more automation tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.